Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video on XRP. XRP is currently, still moving basically in an overall range. So that of course hasn't changed. As you can see, XRP is starting to move towards this resistance area here between 248 and 259. And this is what I believe it could be in the yellow scenario, a B-wave bounce. And if we get a rejection here before the price breaks above 259, then this could be the start of the C-wave decline. And we could move further lower into this orange support region. The move to the upside is definitely not impulsive, but I have to say that the decline from the 27th of October high looks like a three-wave move down. So we could be dealing with maybe an ending diagonal pattern in wave C of 2 there, which could be unfolding basically wave 1, wave 2, A, B, C in wave 3, then wave 4, then wave 5. And this gives us a 5-wave decline in wave C of 2. So this is the bearish variation of it, but the market needs to stay below $2.59 to keep this scenario plausible. If we break above 259, then it opens the door to a more direct advance. Probably also in a diagonal pattern. There's no way this could be impulsive. So the only bullish count I can offer here, and the situation hasn't really changed on the chart, would be this one, in which we have formed possibly a B wave low, and we could set up for a C wave rally from here. But again, this is possible. That's why the white count remains there, but it needs to prove itself. And how can it do that? You know that if you watch the previous videos, then you know that one way how the bulls can, let's say, prove themselves, would be a break above this initial resistance area. And these are the two structural resistance lines we have, around 284 to around about 268. These are the next resistances, and we need to break above this zone. There are additional Fibonacci resistance levels there as well, but basically this is our resistance area to watch. We need to get above it, and then the door opens to round about $3.40. But let's first see if we can get above this cluster of resistance, because at the moment we're not even above the initial micro resistance area. Because we're only moving in corrective structures up and down, there is no clear direction, and as you can clearly see, no clear direction. This move up looks a bit impulsive, but actually it's not a clean 5-wave move. So we're not above resistance, no 5-wave move. We haven't even broken above initial micro resistance. So yeah, there is a lot to be done from a bullish side. Obviously, any break below $2.37 would open the door to another decline here towards $2.17 and $2.05. Seems like the yellow scenario is leading, but not clearly leading, because the decline is not an impulse. It's only a diagonal structure. That's the update on XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then make sure to check out our X channel for additional charts, updates, news, and much more. The link is in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.